Alright, here we're installing a new metal roof on this mobile home. This is going to be my newest how-to guide. Basically, I did one about 5 or 6 years ago. It was pretty popular. I had a lot of stuff on there that I missed, and hopefully I'm going to get to them all on this video. This particular job, we are installing a 29 gauge, 3-foot wide panel. It's called Armor Rib. The color is going to be Barn Red. It has a 40-year warranty, and we're also going to be installing 1x4s on here, and we're going to be installing installation strips in between the 1x4s, and then on top of that we're going to be installing a titanium or equivalent synthetic underlayment. So just watch this video, and hopefully you'll enjoy the new one. Hey man, how you doing? Good. I'm doing good. I'm the cameraman and the translator. You have any problem with me putting your roof on YouTube?
No, that's fine.
Okay. First you start by taking off all the ridge caps. And then you pull all the vents off. You can do this with a flat bar, or usually you can just, on these you can just take and grab the bottom of it and yank it up. The ridge vent's already cut in this one, as you can see. And this, we had a little bit of rotten wood or a limb had fallen through this, so he's pulled these shingles up around here, and we're going to replace those pieces of wood. And change out these, take out these pipe boots, take out all these vents. Next, you need to cut back the edges, and then we're going to pull this piece of drip edge off.
2 foot right here. That's your mark? Here. Oh, that's 2 foot.
Most likely was definitely leaking. Also cut the edges back at the bottom so that you can get that strip edge out. Okay, this roof is now prepped out. They basically got the edges cut back all the way around. They've taken the vents off. They've taken the pipe boots off. They fixed the plywood that was damaged from the tree. And now what they've done is they've come across here and they've got marks in here in the center where the rafters are. And they've got these marks all the way down so that they know where their nails need to go to hit the rafters when putting up the strips. Of course, the ridge is taken off, so we got a nice smooth surface right here to work with. Alright, so the first 1x4 is going down right there where he cut the shingles out. He's nailed it in, he's making sure to hit them on where the rafters are. Yeah. Alright, just going straight up the edge, so you always got something on the edge to screw to. It's all over with your trim will be screwed into this 1x4. You won't have to.
No, aquí la línea. Puta, ¿y qué? Espere.
Okay, so this front's all prepped out. They got their board. They pulled it about, I guess about 8 inches down from the ridge cap. The way it's going to work out is the ridge cap's going to sit up there, and it's going to be screwed somewhere in this area. So that's why they go ahead and set that board at the top. They have their board going down the gable, and that's where the gable trim will be screwed in somewhere around about here, and then the bottom board. So they pretty much have this whole front ready for insulation. You got to come back and cut that off. They're going to do that. You got to cut that top off. But this valley, they have 2 different boards running down through this valley because you do need to screw into it. Board across the ridge there, and as you can see, here's the first piece of insulation. This is some kind of insulation you can just pick up anywhere. This came from Lowe's. It's probably close to 3/4 of an inch thick. It's a little bit low, that first board, but that's not going to make any difference. You can have a piece of drip edge on that bottom, but basically it's already cut up into 2-foot strips, and what they'll do is they'll run this down across the bottom, and then they'll come over the top of it with one more board, and then run another row. Basically just do that to cover the whole roof. But they go ahead and prep it by doing all the edges, the valleys, the ridges. That way they just have to run their boards over the top of the insulation while working it up.
Tells them where the board's standing. ¿Ah? 52, 79.
Alright, thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel, like the video. If you got any questions, leave them in the comments and I'll answer them quickly. And please watch my next video of installing the metal and the trim. Thank you very much. Alright, thank you for watching. That's the end of part 1. Next we'll be installing the metal roofing and trim. Alright, thanks for watching. Alrighty, thank you for watching, and please like and subscribe to my video. Alright, thanks for watching. That's the end of part 1. Please subscribe to my channel and like my video, and I hope you watch the second one, installing the actual metal roofing and trim, coming up next. Thank you again.